In today's video, I'm going to show you why savers are losers. Before we get started, if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Anthony. I'm a 24-year-old entrepreneur / real estate investor. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It'll help me reach more people and help me provide a ton of value to them as well. Thanks, guys. Number one to why savers are losers is inflation. Inflation basically devalues how much your money is worth. For example, if you saved up $10,000 by the end of 2021 and just hold that money and let it sit in the bank for 10 years, that $10,000 will not have the same buying power in the year 2031. In other words, that $10,000 was worth more back then in 2021 than it would be in 2031. This is exactly why taking $20 to go grocery shopping today won't get you as much as it would have in the 70s or 80s. Another example is that $1 in 1900 is equivalent in purchasing power to about $31.14 today, which is an increase of $30.14 in 121 years. The dollar had an average inflation rate of 2.88% per year between 1900 and today, producing a cumulative price increase of 3,014%. This means that the prices today are essentially 31 times higher than they were in 1900. With the US getting into more and more debt each year, the US dollar is bound to continuously lose its value. That's why I truly believe some sort of cryptocurrency will be the currency of the future. But that's for another video. If you guys are getting any value and enjoying this video, please do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. Each and every one of you do so will help this channel out tremendously and help me reach more people like yourself. And if you want to be notified every time that I post a new video, hit that notification bell. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. Thanks, guys. Let's get back to it. Number 2 to why savers are losers is that the money in the bank is probably not making you any more money. So what I'm saying is that you should be using that money to make even more money. But I'm not saying that you don't want to save any money just in case or for a rainy day. This is also known as making your money work for you. Most people tend to just stash their money away in savings accounts that their bank offers, which is a terrible idea because of how low the APY rates are, or annual percentage yield. The APY is the percentage of interest you are earning on your money per year. Currently, the annual percentage yield for a Chase savings account is 0.01%, which is not much at all. To give you a visual, let's just say you saved up $10,000. If you put that money into a Chase savings account and let it sit for a year without depositing anything else, you would have earned an amazing $1 for that year. So one way to make your money work for you is to open a high interest savings account, like Marcus with Goldman Sachs. With Marcus, you're now working with 0.50% APY. That's 50 times more than Chase. So if we took that same example of $10,000 and letting it sit for a year, you'd end up earning $50 for that year, which is what you were planning to do anyway, so why not make some extra money off of it? Although $50 a year is not a crazy amount of money, it's still better than that $1. Other ways to get your money to work for you are through stocks, index funds, real estate, starting a business, and much more. Number 3, as to why savers are losers, and this one's very important, is that I recommend you use your money to create experiences that you'll enjoy for the rest of your life. Life is short, that's not a secret. Each day is a blessing and tomorrow is not guaranteed. With that being said, making money shouldn't be your only goal in life. A good way to use your hard-earned money is to enjoy life itself. Again, take that money and create some experiences that you enjoy for a lifetime. Go try that fancy restaurant, go skydiving, travel around the country, travel out of the country. There's so much that this world offers and it's ready for you to experience them. At the end of the day, no matter how much money you've made, how many things you've bought, or what you own, the only thing that you'll be looking back on when you leave this world are the memories and experiences that you've made. And let me just end this with a quote. Life is a beautiful collage of priceless moments and memories, which when pieced all together, create a unique, treasured masterpiece. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. My goal is to provide as much value as I can and make a bunch of content about money, real estate, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. If you guys have any questions or comments about what you can do instead of just saving your money, comment down below and I'll answer them. And don't forget to also follow me on all the socials. Also, go ahead and click that notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I post a video. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go get that money, and I'll see you in the next one.